Welcome to the Income and Expense Tracking System demo. I'm going to go through this as quickly as possible. We have column A, which includes our income and our list of expenses. The expenses, there are 40 different items listed here, and you can modify these. So if you need to change this, anything, insurance, you can change that to whatever you want. Okay, you have the ability to edit this list. Column B and C, these are the monthly figures. We have a budgeted column. If you want to use this as a budget system, you can. Then of course we have the actual income for the month. This will show your budgeted and actual figures and then the difference between those two. So if you are not using this as a budget, you leave this blank, but the variance over here will always show as a negative when you do that. So no big deal. Let me enter a couple of numbers here for you. You're budgeted $5,000 for January, but you actually earned $7,500. You can see the variance here is a positive $2,500. That's always good. $500 for your auto. Maybe you had a $200 repair. Gas was maybe $303.53. And yada, let's put a value on that one, okay? Let's go down to the bottom here and see what we've got. Down here we have our monthly totals, $7,500 in income, $1,100 in expenses, and this is our net profit or loss. Of course, we have our year-to-date totals, which are identical because this is the month of January. Let's go into February. You can see down here at the bottom, very bottom of the screen here, we have different tabs. We've got the mileage calculator, January, February, March, April, May, June, etc., all the way to December. I'm going to click on February and enter an amount here. And I'm just entering the numbers, then I'm hitting enter, and that will, you can hit enter, or you can hit tab, or you can even use your arrow key to move around on these very quickly and easily. You cannot mess this up. That's one of the nice things about this. What we've done is we've locked the cells where the formulas are, so you can't mess that up. And then you can enter, of course, any dollar amounts that you want. So that portion, of course, is edited. Okay, so again, we'll scroll down here. We've got our budgeted totals and our actual numbers. This is year to date. So far we've got $603 in gas, $200 for auto repair, which was just done in the month of January, and $1,000 worth of car payments. Scroll down to the bottom. We've got our income, our expenses, and our net profit. And then of course we have our year-to-date as well. $17,500 in income, $1,900 in expenses, and then our net profit. If we go to December, you would fill out this information, and this is the month that you would print for your tax account. And I tell you, this here will save you not only time, but it will save you money. And here's how. Your tax, whoever prepares your taxes, your CPA or tax accountant, one of the things that they need to do is obviously fill out an itemized deduction, itemized deductions. And they have to pull all that data together, all those numbers together. Well, this is already done for them. You print this sheet out, it'll have all the year-to-date totals there for them. It makes it easy. You and your CPA can use the notes section to make references to each other if you need to clarify the information or information that your accountant needs from you. All right? And then, of course, this has the totals down at the bottom as well. Let's take a quick look at what this would look like in a print format. So you can see it's going to have your name across the top. It's going to have all the columns of information that you need with all the totals, and of course the notes section here on the right hand side. Let me close that out real quick. Let's go to the mileage calculator. This is set for 2008, where you receive 50.5 cents per mile deduction. Very simple here. You just type in your total miles for the month, and it's going to give you the total monthly deduction. Okay, gives you the total miles year to date, and then of course the total deduction down here. This is the monthly deduction, this is the year to date total. Next year, 2009, if you need to make a change to this, you can say, you can put in here maybe 54 cents, if that's what the IRS deems they will give you, and you will see it will automatically do the calculations based on that amount. So again, this is not a software program, this is an Excel file. It is something that you can use year after year without any updates whatsoever. And of course, we're here for free tech support. If you have any questions, you can just send us an email, and we'll be more than happy to walk you through utilizing this income and expense tracking system.